In this really quick video guide, I want to show you this useful extension which is called Personal Blocklist. Now this is an extension for Google Chrome and Firefox. And for example, here I'm searching for this particular extension. This is in Italian right now, but it's the same for you. And you can see that the extension comes after this other website here. So for example, with this extension, I can block these results from appearing in the Google search. So if I don't want certain websites to appear in my Google search because maybe I don't like it, or because they are too spammy, or they have too much advertisement, or they are not trustful, or whatever, you can block them. You can block this particular and specific website from appearing in your Google search using this extension. Now let's go and see how to do it. It's pretty simple for Google Chrome. Right now I am in Google Chrome and I can click here directly on this result. I will just click on this button here to add this particular plugin or extension, which is Personal Blocklist, not by Google. And so I will click here and I will add it in my Google Chrome. Alright, now it's added and I can see it right here on the top right. If I click on this puzzle icon, you can see it's added right here. And let's see how we can use it. So I will get back into Google search and let me search for something. Well, I will go for Personal Blocklist again. Okay, now you can see this little link appearing below the actual results. So if I click here, I can block this website from appearing. So next time I'm going to search for this will not appear. Now let's add some other results to this blacklist. For example, I don't want to see this one, and I don't want to see this one here. I don't want to see this one, I don't want to see this one, and so on. There you go. So I practically blocked all the first results, and I just left the first three, which are of the extension, Google extension and Firefox add-ons. Now let's update this page to see what's the difference. And there you go. Now I don't see those websites anymore. I don't see those results anymore. I see this first that I didn't block. And if I go back here in my extension icon at the top right again, now I can click directly into this extension and it's showing me everything that I have blocked so far. So I can decide that I want to bring one of these back. For example, let's remove the block from this one and this one. So if and again I update, I'm gonna check if they are back again, and there you go, there they are. So another thing I can do here with this extension, I can export a list like that. So I can just copy this, right click, copy, or Control C, copy to clipboard, and then bring it into here. And also I can add particular website, specific website, by adding them directly right here using these different types of syntax. And this is basically it. Now if I want to deactivate the plugin, the extension, I can go right here. I can also check this pinpoint to see it on the top, and I can select it like this, or I can go here and I can remove it from Chrome. So if I click remove, there you go, I don't have it anymore. So if I update again, it's not gonna be there, and everything is just how it was before I installed it. Now if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel and leave your comments, leave your questions and suggestions. Also check our other videos and also video courses in the playlist page. At the top you will find professional English video courses in 3D modeling, rendering, graphic design, video editing and more. And at the bottom of this page you also will find the English video guides about web or software, PC, smartphones, Android and many more. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.